In front of me is another Magic 7 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on this icon at the top right corner of it. And now, when it's in the form of floating window, access the second app. When you have both open this way, you need to hold this line at the top of your window and drag it all the way up. In the middle, like that. When you see this gray area, let go. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and hit home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!